Today I'm going to be checking out and putting together this forklift safety cage that I was sent so I could do this review. Let's go ahead, get it out of the box, see everything it comes with, and then test it out. All right, so I've got it all out of the box. And right here, these portions that are sticking up, they're already attached. When you open the box and take it out, all of these panels lay on top of each other and fold down and collapse just down to this bottom platform. So it gets really flat and nice and level, so you could like put it on a shelf if you want. It does have these casters, so you could just roll it around in your shop if you want to do that. The only piece of the cage on the outside you have to put on is this, and it goes on with a couple pins. Then I need to put these bottom pieces on here. They're the little forklift housing on the bottom that keeps it from coming off the forks on the forklift. Put the casters, they go to the bottom of those, so that way you can roll it around. You can just set it down on your shop with your forklift and roll it. All the hardware needed to put together is in this bag and a manual. So everything's here. Nice cage, good size platform. So let me get this thing fully assembled and we'll check it out. All right, so here it is all put together. It was super easy to put together. Really all you're doing is putting the casters on these little fork loops here and then putting the fork loops on the base of the platform. Those are there so the actual forks from your forklift can go into the platform and actually secure it instead of this just sitting there being able to move around. Those surround the fork to keep it safe. And then of course you have the casters. Two of the casters are locking. You can put them wherever you want. I put the locking ones in the back, but you know, this thing moves around super easy on concrete. So if you have it in your shop and you need to move it around, it works great. They look like they're pretty heavy duty casters too. So I'm not saying you can use this as a dolly cart, but you could use this as a dolly cart. So multi-purpose, which makes it just that much better. It does come with the chain here, and it's got loops in the back where the forklift pieces are. I'll show you that in a second. So when you put it on the forklift, you can put that chain on it. That keeps it from accidentally sliding forward. So it makes it a very secure platform. And since I will be doing this with my skid steer, I'm gonna wrap it around those forks to make sure I don't come flying off. All right, and the fact that it has casters, I can just slide this thing right over to my forklift forks. Slide that thing right on, but no problem. It rolls really easy, slides on well. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put that safety chain around these forks. That way it keeps it from coming out this direction. Then I'm gonna lift it up. So this is what I meant about that chain in the back. So I attached the chain. So even if that platform would slide around on your forks, you would still have this chain keeping this platform from coming off your forks. It's secured. So if someone accidentally tilts the forks forward or something like that, you're not gonna come sliding off. So that's very important. Make sure you use the chain. It's there for that reason. So I'd have to have somebody here helping me if I was gonna be in the cage and have someone lift me up. But what I did is I lifted it up with the forks on my skid steer, as you can see. And yeah, I think I would feel very safe up in that. It's all locked in. Again, you've got these little slides here that keep it straight and on your forks with no problem. And then again, back here, you got the safety chains. Very important. Casters are on it. I could get up there, work on my lighting, wiring, whatever I need to be doing up there. And then when I come down, it folds flat. So let me show you that. All right, now I've got it back down on the floor and I'm gonna show you how this thing collapses down. I did take the chain off down here so I can pull it off the forks, but now I'm gonna open this up and close it all down. So first, you just come in here and you undo the latches. This is gonna fold down. So then we're gonna pull the pins out of this door. This will fold flat. That folds flat. So now it's laid flat. You've got the door. Just lay the door in there in the pieces and you're good to go. Now that it's all nice and flat, you can just roll it off and roll it to wherever you want to put it. So yeah, really nice platform. I like it a lot. It's going to be very safe when I have to be lifted up higher. Much better than just standing on a pallet or a bucket. And I hope all of this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.